brought to us by Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, thanks for being on the show. All right. Boy, oh boy, what a few weeks it's been. What are your thoughts here, and where do we go from here now?
Well, yeah, it's been a wild few weeks. We saw the volatility certainly pick up over the last week with the selling to end the month of February, and I think some of that might have just been that. Long liquidation ahead of the end of the month, and now you turn the calendar over and you start to see a little bit more jockeying back and forth, which is what we're starting to see. I'm pretty disappointed in the corn action today following yesterday's nice rally off of those lows. Yesterday morning, there were some rumors that China may have been in the market for corn, and there weren't any flash sales this morning, so I think that really kind of muted the optimism here in the near term. But looking at the soybeans, they're quite a bit more constructive here and right up against a pivotal point on the chart. We're right back to Tuesday's scene of the crime, or where we broke down from. That's about 1507 to 1512, and this is going to be a tug of a war area as we head towards the end of the week. If the bulls can get out above here, potentially we can continue to rally this market back to where we were about a week and a half ago. A failure to do so might encourage some additional long liquidation. And speaking of long liquidation, we're still waiting from the CFTC to get those commitment to traders reports fully up to speed. But when that does come out, we're expecting to see some pretty big positioning, specifically in the wheat market to the short side. The last report we got showed that they were net short, or funds, when I'm talking about they were net short, their largest net short position since about 2019. And since that last report to now, it's about 65 cents lower. So I assume there's a very, very large net short position there, which could spark a relief rally ahead of that Black Sea grain deal renewal on March 18th.
When are we going to get a good, clean commitment to traders report? When do you think that'll come out, or what have they said?
Well, the most recent one we got was the end of January. I don't know why they didn't just do a data dump on us and just get it over with. But the CFTC has come out and said that by the middle of March, they hope to be caught up with things.